Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has released the third positive indigenization list of 101 defence items today. That includes complex systems like sensors, weapons and ammunitions, rocket systems, naval utility helicopters, patrol vessels, anti-ship missile and anti-radiation missile. The DRDO also handed over 30 transfer of technology agreements of 21 niche technologies to 25 Indian industries. Aeronautical Development Agency has started work on the internal weapons bay of 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet. The internal weapons bay of AMCA will be bigger in size as compared to internal weapons bay on the bottom fuselage of the American F-22 Raptor, and it will be able to carry 4 Rudram-1 new generation anti-radiation missiles. The Rudram-1 air-to-ground missile is 5.5 meters in length and weighs 600 kilograms, which means that the internal weapons bay of AMCA can accommodate 6 air-to-air missiles, as they are comparatively much sleeker. Hindustan Aeronautics will manufacture the first 3 prototypes for testing phase, that will be followed with 3 more units for final level testing phase, after which 2 pre-production aircraft will be built and delivered to the Indian Air Force for user testing. Hindustan Aeronautics and Israel Aerospace Industries had entered into an agreement yesterday to convert civilian aircraft into multi-mission tanker transport aircraft in India. After years of trying to buy aerial refueling aircraft for the Indian Air Force, India will now convert existing Boeing 767 passenger aircraft into tankers. The US Air Force's KC-46 Pegasus aerial refueling aircraft is also based on Boeing 767 aircraft. Officials have said that it is much cheaper to convert civilian aircraft into aerial refuelers instead of buying new refuelers, and 6 aircraft are planned to be converted in India. They also said that the contract is between HAL and Israel Aerospace Industries, but Boeing will be a key component to any future program for converting civilian aircraft into refuelers, as Boeing is the original equipment manufacturer. The Department of Defense Production has said that development of an entire range of medium-speed marine engine has been accorded in principle approval under Make 1 category that will involve up to 90% government funding, and the government has invited bids from the Indian industry to design and develop marine engine technology. Medium-speed marine engines refers to engines that operate within the approximate speed range of 250 to 800 revolutions per minute, and are used in tugboats, offshore vessels, Navy and Coast Guard vessels. After the India-US 2+2 meeting in Washington on 11 April, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will visit the US Navy's 3rd Fleet in San Diego, California, and this visit comes at a time when the Indian Navy has released a list of 21 future procurements that included a second indigenous aircraft carrier. The US Navy's 3rd Fleet operates 3 carrier strike groups that are headed by 3 supercarriers. India and US have established a joint working group on aircraft carrier technology under the Defense and Technology Trade Initiative that can present bright prospects for modernization of carrier-based capabilities, especially in the field of unmanned systems, which is of high interest to the Indian Navy. The successful incorporation of electromagnetic aircraft launch system and catapult-assisted takeoff in India's second indigenous carrier can help complement the efficient use of twin-engine carrier-based fighter jets and airborne early warning aircraft like E-2C Hawkeye. India and Kyrgyzstan have concluded the 9th edition of Joint Special Forces exercise that was conducted at Indian Army's Special Forces Training School. The exercise focused on sharing tactics and techniques, unarmed combat and combat shooting, survival in mountains and hostage rescue drills, and the exercise has strengthened mutual confidence and interoperability between special forces of both the nations against emergent threats.